hate it.
Just give her a quick wash. I think it's looking good. So yeah, we're heading out after we dried the car off. Just a quick bit of gas run. Chuck some 100 plus in the baby. So alright, so I just pull up to my friend. Man, look at that fit.
Oh no, mate.
Damn.
Like when you stand from the back, it honestly looks
From the rear.
like some sort of monster truck or something. Man.
Holy shit. Crazy fit, man, eh?
I cleaned them up pretty nice though.
Yeah, 100%. Look at how shiny they are, man.
Get JP Humphrey in there, boy.
Damn. Now mine looks skinny.
Yeah.
Look at how skinny they are.
I feel like heavy when I
Guys, just look how thick the car looks from the back. It's honestly crazy. That is crazy. Guys, we're in. Now we parked up and let's check out the R33. Woo. Like 350.
that's me.
Yo, look at those wheels. Oh man, that's so clean. Oh, look at that cute little Miata over there. Manual 370. Oh, look at that nice Chase over there. Pretty cool Tesla. Look at that nice 300 ZX. It's a nice day out.
Oh, I'm like, look at that drift speed.
Yeah, I know. Yo, look at the exhaust. I think I found my buddy. The R34 400Z. Now we're just walking to the actually park area, so I think there's some road racing going on. Yo, that 350 is boosted.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's what?
It's actually boosted. What? You can hear it. Too cool. I'm telling you, it's boosted. Line up all the GTRs. We're gonna do some sick photos. I think they're gonna do a two-step competition now, which is gonna absolutely blow up my GoPro. That is gonna be sick. have to get this on camera. Look at how thick that is. Guys, what the heck? That wide body, oh my god. That is crazy. That 34 is crazy. So Q50.
There he is, right down there.
There's that turbo 350. I have to talk to him. Bunch of GTRs over there. This is the car that was on the track. That's boosted.
Yep, so it's a 2006 VQ35DE.
Ah, yeah.
But I've put a single turbo in it, so it's a TMR kit. With that, we've done all the clutch, Jim Wolf technology clutch, wheels and brakes. It's a Z1 kit from the States.
Yeah, big Akibono.
Big brakes. Yeah, basically the Akibono kit.
Yeah.
It is tuned for Link ECU with 400 horsepower at the rear wheels.
Ooh, yeah.
So maybe 450, 460 at the crank, don't really know.
Yeah.
And that's about what's safe to do with the VQ.
Is it on stock injectors or?
No, it's, I forget what size the injectors are now. They're GTR injectors. They come with the turbo kit.
Ah, yeah.
And it's a 255 litre per hour fuel pump as well.
Yeah.
All the bushing, well not all the bushings, but all the important bushings are done.
Yeah.
It's got Tyne, Flexi, coilovers. The wheels are GTCO2s, 19x9.
I think everything that's stock internal and stuff?
Yeah, stock internals at the moment, so hence the limit for 400 wheel horsepower.
Are you?
I will build the engine one day, or I won't do it myself, but I'll get the engine built one day.
Yeah.
And it would be nice, I think, for sort of 450, 500 at the wheels would be good.
Yeah. What size tire are you running?
You'll have to check, because I forgot. They're a little bit stretched.
35.
Yeah.
Are you spinning on that?
Yeah, so it doesn't actually put the power down very well. It's not too bad on the rolling races, but yeah, from a standstill or coming out of corners and stuff, it's a bit squirrely.
Yeah.
To be honest, the tyres are more stretched than I'd like them to be. It's just that I recently got the car certified.
Ah, yeah.
When I was getting the stuff to pass cert, I knew that I might have issues with clearance, so I went for a more stretched tyre just to pass the cert.
Yeah.
But once these tyres are worn through, I'll definitely be going a little wider, especially on the rear. Yeah, semi-slick would be good too. Yeah.
Man, it's such a clean G. So clean. Oh, it's got the full like diff brakes and arms.
Got two.
Oh, right, two catch cams.
So the reason is I got that one before the turbo, and then once we put the turbo on, we had a little bit of issues with the vacuum system, so we added this one.
Yeah.
What really what I need to do is just get an AN line from here into there.
I see.
Yeah.
I see, and then that tucks down through there. So turbo will be right next to the transmission.
Yeah,
right?
you can kind of see it if you count low enough.
See the piping like
Yeah.
Alright, now we're hopping in the turbo 350. I'm so excited.
Is it not a boost gauge?
No, nothing like that yet. So I have a good plan. The next thing I'm going to do once I finish paying for all my cert stuff is this screen here, which is pretty useless because it thinks we're in Japan.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a digital dash and I'm going to mount it in there.
Yeah.
So it'll come up, it'll be hidden and then it'll come up. I've got a friend with a 3D printer who'll print me a bracket that goes in there, and hopefully we can get it to fit.
Yeah.
Because I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
That is sick.
Yeah. But otherwise now I just rely on the ECU to tell me if anything's wrong.
Yeah.
So if something gets too hot or there's something's fucked up, the car will slow itself down. Hopefully. I won't know it's happening.
Yeah, it's definitely got a huge sleeper look to it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. If it wasn't for the brakes, you would like the wheels are give it away a little bit. Yeah, up until only a couple of months ago, it didn't have these wheels or brakes on it, so it was even more sleepery, which was cool. Yeah.
Oh, watch out, R35, we're chasing you. Do you want me to roll out the window?
I'll do it a little
Yeah,
bit.
sweet.
A little bit of that.
Oh, that is quick! Damn! Turbo sounds so good.
turbo is a Precision 6262.
Yeah.
Which I didn't know it until after I bought it, because I like, fuck, there's a lot of turbos available. The holy grail of turbos for modifying cars, apparently.
Yeah. When do you start getting into boost? I feel like it's pretty low.
Yeah,
Builds up nicely,
it's not too bad. Like, okay, so we're in 4th gear now, and I'll show you that it's going to be pretty laggy.
Yeah.
I'm not
This
even
thing handles so well.
not on the gas yet, but we'll do it coming out of this big swoop here, and I'll show you that it's a little laggy in, say, 4th gear, but if we drive it properly, then you don't notice it.
Yeah.
So still in 4th, not on the gas at all, on the gas a tiny bit. Okay, now put it all the way down. You see what I mean? It's like, it's slow to build up there, but we were in the wrong gear for it, so if we're in 3rd gear, which is a bit more suited to this corner,
this is quick. Guys, I just found my dream wheels again. 18LM GT4 R35 brake suit, man, it's crazy. And that's a 19-inch LM GT4. I don't know which one looks better, which one suits my car more. I don't know. Maybe a 19 looks better.
Yeah.
On the 350. Yeah, man, that looks so good. Yo, check out these old LMGTs. I have a soft spot for them. Man, everything's like so pure correct. This is sick. This is sick. Love the livery too, actually. The old Nismo logo. Check out the R32. Check out the toe, mate. Check out the Sylvia.
Yo, that is a.
Oh, that is old rubber. That is old tires. Let's see, look at a little air freshener. Yo, you can see the turbo. Oh, check out this R32. White on white, looks pretty cool. What color is pop? Oh man, that color is sick. Look at that. Check out some of the cars at car park. Four-door R34.
Right, so we are now
Looking nice.
all our crews.
33 sedan. I actually don't know what that wing is, but it looks good. 32 sedan. R31. That Subi looks good. Nice GC8.
Nice, I think it was Zach going down here.
Man.
So hopefully we can leave
Sick.
John's going to carry on out there.
33 sedan.
People will be able to line them up to the
Is it RB20E or L-Series motor? I actually don't know. R32. Yo, this is sick.
So we won't know.
I love these wheels, eh?
All cars for the next cruising
Man.
session. You can start staging now. So
Another 4-door sedan.
oh, there's some of them.
I don't think these ever made to the estate, so big boy Alteza. Look at it fit, man. It's pretty sick.
This is me getting a little bit excited, eh? Every now and then these guys like my evenings
That is you, Sylvia. S14. This is clean. Crown. Pretty clean Z. Got Nismo bumper. Hey, look at the exhaust. I've never seen this before. What is that? I know. Bongs. L'Oreal. It's a pretty cool L'Oreal. 33 Skyline. Little Miata. Bunch of stages. 370Z. Let's see, have a look if it's manual, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yo, it is manual. It's got some loaded fries. Check out this one. Nice little CA18. Oh, this is actually NZ new. Look at that, 200 SX. NZ new, eh? Yo, look at that cucky motor. Look at the size of that turbo.
We will. You can come forward. Also. RH9 right hand lane. We're off on the green here to GTR.
You got the 350, was it?
Yeah, I've got two 350, one 370.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Have you got it out here today?
Yeah. But I just parked over there.
These seats are real nice. Yeah, good. They look pretty comfy, yeah.